Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen, and sponsor shopping with the $500 Club. Now that we've officially launched the $500 Club, my name is Paul, your online and offline mailman. This will be part 2 of the first part of the Q&A open forum talking about sponsor shopping. And this will be, again, part 2. And I abruptly ended that first video, as you saw, to keep you coming, and hopefully you remembered what I said when Albert Einstein said that the imagination is everything. A preview of life's coming attractions. A preview of life's coming attractions. I like that. And then we talked about how God puts the dream in our hearts, and nobody can understand it but us. God puts that dream there. You're an entrepreneur. You got that entrepreneurial spirit. You wind up telling your family first, your friends, and everybody says, oh, no, that's just a dream. And then they discourage you. Sometimes you got to keep things to yourself, folks. It's hard sometimes. When you're an entrepreneur, you're going to have a lot of haters. And before you even launch yourself, brand yourself online, what's going to happen? People are going to say, there's so many scams on the internet, and you're part of a scam, and you don't think you're going to make money. You got to go and get a real job, a 9 to 5, and this, that, and the other. Shh. Keep it to yourself. I know you need somebody to talk to. Well, you can call up me and talk to me if you like. I have a phone, and I pick it up even after you sign up. 862-658-2086. Again, my cell phone number is 862-658-2086. Hey, if you're not even going to join, you can call me anyway. But we're going to talk about the mindset of when we first see a program. No, not all of programs online are scams. There's some good ones out there, few and far between. But after you see that it is a good program, now comes the bigger part. Folks, it's 20% looking for the right program, and then 80% sponsor shopping. And again, this is part 2. So we're going to talk about how you can make sure that your coach, your mentor, your success coach is going to get on the phone with you, do Zoom calls, whatever it takes to get you to hit the ground running. And I just can't understand it. For the sake of me, I can't understand why they would not want to do that when some of those programs have these downlines. And it depends on the sponsor building that team. And we all make money together. So I know life is full of all different circumstances. We're busy these days, but this is a business. Folks, you work this like a business, it's going to work. All of this is designed. If you see here, this is all designed to convert. Are you still struggling to make money online? Do you know how many people are struggling right now as I shoot this video that are struggling online? Folks, it's amazing how many people jump from program to program to program. You need a good sponsor. You need a good mentor. I'm here to help you. My track record is good. I don't leave you for dead. I don't go into the witness protection program. You can't call me anymore. No, I do not do that. I answer the phone even if I'm in the hospital. My health was declining over the last year or so, but I'm getting healthier. I'm 62 years old. And I was feeling every bit of it, but the doctor said it was my diet. I love sweets. I got a sweet tooth, and folks, stay away from the sugar. The sugar is gonna, no. I'm Italian. I love ganos. I love New York cheesecake. I go to the city almost every week, New York City, Manhattan, and you can't keep me away from, do you ever have real New York cheesecake? Oh my goodness. I can eat a whole one. They're about $30 these days just for a cheesecake in New York City. $30, $40 it goes up to, but it's well worth it. making my mouth saliva. Anyway, are you still struggling to make money online? Then go offline with postcards. Oh, Paul, there's no money in postcards. Multi-billion-dollar business. Yes, there is. You just got to do it right. And we're finding out that the flyers that we have are converting better. Folks, we work with the best of the best of the best. I just got off phone with Dr. Glenn out of Boston, Massachusetts. He's a friend of mine. He's the one he's the biggest guru for postcard marketing flyers. He really just does the flyers now. You send our flyer that's incorporated with his out, and every 10 people that look at that flyer, one is going to sign up. So you can imagine sending 500 out, 1,000. Do the maths, folks. But this program, it's exclusive. It's exclusive only in that we're looking for a team of people that can make it with this. If you can't make it with this, folks, you better go back to the 9 to 5. This is easy, simple, stupid. It's easy, simple, stupid. They look at this Are You Struggling Online website, and you'll be getting the same website designed to you. $500 goes to me, and it'll be going directly to your mailbox. Nobody plays around. They're finding out these success coaches that do all these automated programs. They get on the phone and sell it. They not only sell it, they're putting their money in their pockets, we found out. That's why we're doing this, where you don't have to worry about that. It goes directly to you. And a lot of people right now are sending cash as well. So if you scroll down, read this page, click Get Started. Congratulations on your decision to join the $500 club. Mail to United States Postal Service money orders. I have my Cash App here. You can put your Venmo, your Cash App, your Zelle, PayPal, whatever your preference is for receiving money. Send $500 priority mail to the inviter, Paul Barletta. This is me. And here's my address, 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. I'm here on the Jersey Shore, 08759, and there's my phone number. You don't have to put your phone number on there, but you do need your address. Folks, sometimes that $500 is going to come in the mail. You're going to go to the mailbox, and you're going to see somebody that you don't know, and you open the mail, and there's a money order made in your name for $500. What's better than that? Why? Because this does do all the selling and telling. Some people just sign up without even talking to them. You do not have to sell this. I will sell it for you. We can have a three-way, and you can listen to me, my closing sales. I went to school with the best, Tony Robbins, on the phone. Did you know when you're on the phone with somebody, you start off what we call riding the bike? What does that mean? If they're riding fast, you ride fast. If they're riding slow, of course you ride slow. So you can talk to them. So if they're talking fast on the phone, you have to talk fast on the phone. You have to talk fast on the phone. If they're talking real slow on the phone, you have to ride along with them and talk slow on the phone. That's the first principle. Anyway, there's things that you have to know on the phone to close, and my closing ratio, believe it or not, is up there. Between every 10 people, I'll close at least 8. And folks, that's a low number. And then you have Brad. He's the one, a friend of mine, who put together this business. He's been, maybe some of you know him from other programs. Brad Kamansky. He's a Christian as well as I. And we go to bat for you. We want to see you prosper. And this program is designed to make you prosper. So the $500 goes to me in any way you want to pay. And send $47 to Brad, the admin. And then you click here. And there's Brad Kamansky says it's time to create your success story. Pay Brad, money order, $47. Money order priority mail to Brad Kamansky. And there's his address. in Oregon, and you're good to go. It's just that easy, folks. You don't have to complicate it. It's not rocket science. And oh, by the way, I don't understand it, but there's some of you that texting me. I'm getting text messages. And one guy wants me to mail him some information. Folks, that's why I'm doing videos. Please don't text me and ask me to send you, to take time out of my day. Could you imagine if 100 people texting me and I'm out there going to the post office and mailing information about this? Folks, it's sending out postcards and flyers. And the success rate is really, really good. And the only way to experience it is believe what I tell you and do it. Folks, do it. Click the link below in the description. Semetics.com, www. You'll see it, Semetics.com. That's my website. And it'll go right here. And you sign up. You send it to the address. And you'll have a website just like this. It's a 2-page, 3-page website. It's a piece of cake, folks. I like things that are a piece of cake, even though I can't eat too much cake anymore. The doctor said you got to stay away from the sugar, Paul. Are you still struggling to make it online? More people are struggling to make it online, folks, than you could imagine. It's really out of hand because the sponsors, even though it's a good program, are leaving me for dead. Folks, I would never do that to you. I couldn't go to sleep at night if I knew I took one of these 3 people that signed up because they're all stressed out in life, getting old. Stress is the #1 killer in the United States of America. You don't want to be stressed out anymore, do you? It's going to hurt your health. If you're doing an online business and you're stressed, leave it alone. Go try something else. You want to try something easy? Then come with me. Go offline with postcards. You'll have so much fun doing it. And you'll get along better with your wife. You'll get along better with your husband. And then your family will say, he made it. How's he made it? How's he making $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month? There's a guy who, in this program, a newbie, in 7 months, upwards to 120, 140,000. Can you make money with this, folks? Absolutely. And like I said, this is the front end. We have something else on the back end. There's a back end to this. And we have upgrades up to $10,000. Folks, you want to get in on the ground level. This is new, even though it was founded in 2020. We talked about Brad Kamansky. When he founded this, his health was declining. And he really never had an opportunity to get it off the ground. And he asked me if I would. I'm good at this, so thanks be to God. The glory goes to God. Every talent that we have, every gift is of God. Everybody has a gift. Everybody has a talent. Just got to use it. You got to sharpen your pencil. You got to start using. You got to take action, folks. Did you know when you take action, you say, even if you say, Paul, I've never done a video, I will show you how to do videos. It's so easy. And you're going to learn, if you do 2, 3 videos, I guarantee you, if you start doing videos, you never did it before, and you don't have to show your face if you don't want. I could just be doing this right now with me you just hear my voice, but sometimes I think this is much more personal. Some people don't want to show your face. Why don't you want to show your face? Was your face on the post office most wanted? Then why don't you? I don't get it. But listen, I'm here for you. I don't want to see you struggle anymore. I want you to sign up and let's do this. All right, that's enough. I don't want to make this video any longer than it should. And go after your dream. Join the dream team today. Looking forward to seeing you. Click the link below. Let's get you started. I love you guys. God bless you. Thank you very much for listening to this video. And we'll see you on the top.